Introducing TextFlip.AI, an innovative online paraphrasing tool that effectively transforms large chunks of text, up to 8,000 characters, while preserving the original meaning. It's the ideal tool for content creators, students, and professionals looking to refresh and reinvent their content. What makes TextFlip.AI unique is its ability to evade detection by AI detector tools, guaranteeing the uniqueness and integrity of your content. It's also highly customizable, allowing users to replace specific keywords and provide unique instructions for the output style. With TextFlip.AI, you gain the power to redefine your content while keeping its core essence, offering a solution that transcends the limits of conventional writing. In the era of digitalization and information abundance, the importance of unique and high-quality content is not diminished. On the contrary, it is growing exponentially. This is where tools like TextFlip.AI come into their own. The power of TextFlip.AI extends far beyond simply reformulating text. It is a tool that has the potential to redefine the way we create and present information in fields ranging from academic research to space science. With TextFlip.AI, you don't just change the text, you open up new horizons for its application and understanding.